brother. You okay?
Here we go.
And it was inches between being to the chest and to the face.
Yeah.
Oh, right up to the neck.
In the neck with the shin, lower part of the shin.
Perfect strike.
Look at this.
Absolutely paralyzed.
Oh man.
Yeah, nice execution by Ring.
Yeah, the timing to get a head kick on the way in at that distance.
And the way he's still, because he has a little wider stance, so he has a lot of power on his left kick because his hip is backwards. He can actually throw his hip in together with his upper body. That's why he can generate so much force. Very beautiful.
Well, he just became my favorite fighter. That guy is a sharpshooter.
Yeah.
First of what will probably be many knockouts tonight.
Yeah. So Saeed and him right now, right? They were very dominant.
Very dominant performance. Let me tell you, this lightweight division, I think, needs to be very, very worried about Shazahid Ring. He was starting to climb the rankings already after just a couple of performances. I think he's well and truly going to be in the discussion for a title shot now.
Oh yeah. With that performance, he deserved it.
Some very happy Italians tonight out there from Avea's camp.
You know, it's one thing to... Well, Azim, give us your thought on that bout. Knockout.
If you can hear me, put me on. Hey guys, awesome stuff right now. I mean, look, it was hard for me to watch because I stepped down as a coach. I love the respect that he's showing to a true martial artist. He had the switch flipped on, knocked out, flip switched off, respect. That's a true martial artist. I love it.
Well, love it indeed. We all certainly loved it here, and the crowd did in this arena as well. Some respect shared between these two fighters, but we are going to get the official announcement of our winner here.
Can't wait to hear him together with Batch.
Right. Yeah, quite a talker is Shazahid Rinders. You're all about to find out.
Come on, bro. Let's go raise your hand. Stand over here.
The winner by KO from the red corner, Shazahid Rind, the King.